Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb yatlubu to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fa'ilun mudari, present tense. Fa'ilun mudari, present continuous tense. Fa'ilun mudari, this is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an action happening at the moment or something that we do on daily basis, like going to school, going to work, or going to mosque. As I am teaching now, the only form of verb in Arabic that I can use to talk about what I am doing now is called fi'lun mudari. The question is, how do we change the verb yatlubu to suit the pronouns below? Yatlubu simply means he is requesting. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb yatlubu to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb yatlubu to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb yatlubu will now become atlubu, which means I am requesting. Ithnan, number two. Nahnu, we. So how do we change the verb yatlubu to suit nahnu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb yatlubu will now become natlubu, which means we are requesting. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb yatlubu to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb yatlubu will now become tatlubu, which means you are requesting. Arba'a, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb yatlubu to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach ya'un and nunun carrying fatha to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb yatlubu will now become tatlubina, which means you are requesting. You can only use this to talk to a single female person. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb yatlubu to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb yatlubu will now become tatlubu, which means she is requesting. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'allaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something is happening. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means nothing is happening. For instance, Wahid, number one. Yatlubu, he is requesting. Ma yatlubu, he is not requesting. Ithnan, number two. Tatlubu, she is requesting. Ma tatlubu, she is not requesting. Thalatha, number three. Atlubu, I am requesting. Ma atlubu, I am not requesting. Arba'a, number four. Natlubu, we are requesting. Ma natlubu, we are not requesting. Hamsa, number five. Tatlubu, you are requesting, talking to a single male person. Ma tatlubu, you are not requesting. Sitta, number six. Tatlubina, you are requesting, talking to a single female person. Ma tatlubina, you are not requesting. La'allaka fahimt. I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, noun the usage. Wahid, number one. ماذا يطلب منك الطبيب يا خالد ماذا يطلب منك الطبيب. So what is the doctor requesting from you? يا خالد خالد. Know the answer. يطلب مني ترك سكريات. يطلب مني ترك سكريات. يطلب مني. He is requesting me ترك سكريات to avoid sugary substances. يطلب مني. He is requesting me ترك سكريات to avoid sugary substances. اثنان number 2. ماذا تطلب منك الطبيبة يا زينب. ماذا تطلب منك الطبيبة. What is the doctor requesting from you يا زينب زينب. ماذا تطلب منك الطبيبة. What is the female doctor requesting from you يا زينب زينب. Know the answer. تطلب مني ترك كثرة النوم. تطلب مني. She is requesting me ترك كثرة النوم to avoid sleeping more frequently. تطلب مني. She is requesting me ترك to avoid كثرة النوم sleeping more frequently. ثلاثة number 3. ماذا تطلب من خالد يا طبيب. ماذا تطلب من خالد. What are you requesting Khalid? What are you requesting from Khalid? يا طبيب doctor. ماذا تطلب من خالد. What are you requesting from Khalid? يا طبيب doctor. Know the answer. أطلب منه ترك كثرة الأكل. أطلب منه. I am requesting from him ترك كثرة النوم. I'm requesting him to avoid eating more frequently. أطلب منه. I am requesting him ترك كثرة الأكل to avoid eating more frequently. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 4 number 4. ماذا تطلبين من زينب يا طبيبة. ماذا تطلبين من زينب يا طبيبة. ماذا تطلبين من زينب. What are you requesting from Zainab يا طبيبة doctor. Talking to a single female doctor. Know the answer. أطلب منها كثرة شرب الماء. أطلب منها. I am requesting her كثرة شرب الماء to drink water more frequently. أطلب منها. I am requesting her كثرة شرب الماء to drink water more frequently. 5 number 5. ماذا تطلبان من الطالب يا أخوي. ماذا تطلبان من الطالب يا أخوي. ماذا تطلبان. What are you both asking the student to do. يا أخوي. My brothers. Talking to my 2 brothers Khalid and Hashim. Asking my 2 brothers Khalid and Hashim. ماذا تطلبان من الطالب. What are you both asking the student to do. يا أخوي. My brothers. Know the answer. نطلب منه الذهاب إلى الفصل. نطلب منه الذهاب إلى الفصل. نطلب منه. We are asking him الذهاب to go إلى الفصل to the classroom. نطلب منه الذهاب إلى الفصل. We are asking him to go to the classroom. 6 number 6. ماذا تطلبون من المريض يا أطباء. ماذا تطلبون من المريض يا أطباء. ماذا تطلبون من المريض. What are you all asking the patient to do. يا أطباء doctors. ماذا تطلبون من المريض. What are you all asking the patient to do. يا أطباء doctors. Know the answer. نطلب منه المكث في المستشفى. نطلب منه المكث. We are asking him to stay في المستشفى in the hospital. نطلب منه المكث. We are asking him to stay في المستشفى in the hospital. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 7 number 7. ماذا تطلبن من المريضة يا طبيبات. ماذا تطلبن من المريضة يا طبيبات. ماذا تطلبن. What are you all asking the marido, the patient to do. يا طبيبات doctors. Asking a group of female medical doctors. ماذا تطلبن من المريضة. What are you all asking the patient to do. يا طبيبات doctors. Know the answer. نطلب منها الرجوع إلى المستشفى غدا. نطلب منها الرجوع إلى المستشفى غدا. نطلب منها الرجوع إلى المستشفى. We are asking her to come back to the hospital. غدا, tomorrow. Remember, غدا means tomorrow. And اليوم means today. اليوم, today. And أمس, yesterday. أمس, yesterday. نطلب منها الرجوع إلى المستشفى. We are asking her to come back to the hospital. غدا, tomorrow. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. Now the comparison between madin, past tense, and mudari'un, present tense in Arabic. Wahid number 1. Huwa, he. Talaba, he requested. Or he has requested. Yatlubu, he is requesting. Or he requests. Ithnan, number 2. Here, she. Talabat, she has requested. Or she requested. Tatlubu, she is requesting. Or she requests. Thalatha, number 3. Ana, I. Talabtu, I have requested. Or I requested. Atlubu, I am requesting. Or I request. Arba'a, number 4. Nahanu, we. Talabna, we have requested. Or we requested. Natlubu, we are requesting. Or we request. Sita, number 6. Khamsa, number 5. Anta, you, representing a single male person. Talabta, you have requested. Or you requested. Tatlubu, you are requesting. Or you request. Sita, number 6. Anti, you, representing a single female person. Talabti, you have requested. Or you requested. Tatlubina, you are requesting. Or you request. Sab'a, number 7. Antum, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. Talabtum, you have all requested. Or you all requested. Tatlubuna, you are all requesting. Or you all request. Thamania, number 8. Antunna, all of you, referring to a group of female persons. Talabtunna, you have all requested. Or you all requested. Tatlubna, you are all requesting. Or you all request. La'allaka fahimt. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Make sure to visit my online store to buy a copy of my ebooks via the link below, right there at the comment section. Like the video, share it, and hit the subscribe button below. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.